2006 GMC Sierra, 125,000. That is my oil pressure. Truck is on, and I hit the gas. Climbs up, then it drops. If you can hear it, it's coming from second cylinder right there. First, second, third, and fourth. Okay, so now that the cover is off, we can see that this one is nice and tight. Moves a little bit, that's not too bad. Right here is my problem. Look at that. So that goes like tick, 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 tick. And all these are pretty much same. So I will remove this bolt right here, and this whole thing comes off, and the push rod is gonna come out. I do have new push rods, have a new spring, and I have a new. Okay, this is the push rod I took out last time, and it had this was down in the bottom of the engine, so the push rod was like this. This is the top, and this here was fine. So when I pulled it out, I discovered it had that right there. So what I did, I turned it over and I put the good side down. So now 2 weeks later, still knocking, pulled it out and discovered that it doesn't zoom. Anyways, it discovered that made the other side even worse, because it would go up and down, be loose, as you saw earlier in the clip. It's not as tight. So now I'm looking at this one, and the ball is basically good on this side, but this side is like a mushroom. It started to mushroom. So this is the old one, and these are the new ones. So you can see the difference. It's not much, but the new one is more round, the other one is more mushroom. So what I'm gonna do is